Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Trevor Burger LEXK Plus here with me for a review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this content. So let's check it out. First, let's see how big this guy is. It's 7.5 inch long overall with a 3.2.5 inch long blade, and I would say like around 4.2 inch long handle. And let's see how compares to some other guys before checking in the look, the sound, and the feel. Rat number 2 by Ontario. Ontario Rat number 1 right over here. Right in between these two guys. So medium-sized knife. This is a Spyderco Para 3, and it's a little bit smaller than the Burger. Of course, Spyderco Paramilitary 2 is larger than the Burger. And the same will go for the Chris Reeve knives, small Sebenza 21 and the Chris Reeve knives, large Sebenza 21. Both are this guy is in between these two choices from Chris Reeve. And what else can I show you? I'm gonna show you, of course, Shirogorov F95R Slim and his smaller brother Shirogorov Neon Zero, which is bigger than the Burger right over here. These two guys, of course, TRM. This is the Atom, larger than that, and this is the Neutron, smaller than that. So again, this offering from Trevor Burger is right in between these pretty popular options by TRM. I'm gonna show you another couple over here. This is a Diskin IDF, beautiful milling going on, by the way, integral titanium frame lock. Right over there, another offering. This is from Bestek, OEM Rogers design, pretty tiny one. Something on the same size we have here. This is the Buck or Buccaneer from Ferrum Forge Design and Drop collaboration. Another one, look at this. Terzuola and Drop also collaboration. This is the Cyrus Persian, a little bit bigger than the Burger. What else can I show you guys? I'm gonna show you another couple of Custom Knife Factory. This is the 520 designed by Philippe Georget, and this is the Custom Knife Factory Snafu 2.0 designed by Peter Assenti. Both are bigger than the Burger. I'm gonna show you another couple over here. We've got the classic XM18 Hinder knives, 3.5 inch long, and look at this. That's a beauty. This is, of course, Shirogorov Custom Division F95 White Tiger Edition. Another beauty, guys. Check this out. This milling, of course, is out of this world. This is the Steve Skiff Accomplice, and I'm gonna show you just another one. Just because we have it here, and it's also like a liner lock with carbon fiber handle. This is the Shirogorov F3NS in the house. So let's jump into the look, the sound, and the feel of this little one, little medium, because it's a very special one. This is a front flipper liner lock, carbon fiber handles, C-Tech bolsters, titanium blue anodized liners. The clip is titanium 3D machined. Carbon fiber backspacer done in a way that is out of this world. The flushness of this thing is, I don't know, it's spectacular. It's so pleasant to the touch that it's ridiculous. I mean, sorry. It's absolutely well made. You've got two liners which are not skeletonized on the inside. I don't know if you can appreciate that. But it feels really light in the hand because of carbon fiber and C-Tech. So this is regular carbon fiber, and C-Tech is like an aluminum comb, like filled in with resin. And the resin over here, it's red, you can see, but only from the side, not from the top, and that's so cool. There's some nice chamfering going on right over here. And of course, going on the inside, it's nicely rounded off. Super, super cool. There's no way you're gonna be able to attach a lanyard to this guy, because the full backspacer is just beautifully done, and doesn't leave any space for any lanyard hole. You've got, of course, this is a front flipper, so you've got your jimped area over here. This is like your front flipper tab, let's say. That's gonna be right over here. Beautifully done. This is made in the US. It's not a cheap one, but it's very nicely done. It's a custom knife. I mean, you've got lock release relief right over here. Nice cutout, easy to access, pretty easy to disengage that. You've got there's no stainless steel insert. There is, I'm not sure if there's a detent ball ramp. I think there is, yes, there is. It's nicely done. The only gripe that I have towards this knife is the use of T5 Torx bit screws for the handles, but the pivot is T6, and underneath you got another 3 T6 screws to keep everything together, so it's good. These are just to hold the handle, the scales in place up against the liner. So it's not like a structural flaw. It's just, they could have done maybe a T6 at least for these, but it's fine. Super flush. You can check my disassembly video if you want to know more about the guts of this knife. Really well made. You've got a spinning pivot, if I'm correct. Nice matching pivot color on both sides, matching with the 3D milled titanium pocket clip with a pretty cool retention, and of course you have nice clip ramp in and out. Nicely done. It's of course tip up carry only, not reversible. It's gonna work very nicely. And if you check the blade, you've got an M390 Stonewash Wharncliffe blade with some pretty cool jimping, absolutely effective. This is like gripping onto your fingertip like a boss. Nice swedge going on over here. Beautiful Wharncliffe design. Basically, this is all belly. I believe this is like a hollow grind. It feels like hollow, and I love this plunge grind going on over here and revealing how thin behind the edge this blade actually is. Nothing going on from the billboard point of view. There's nothing on the blade. I really like this edge profile being 100% symmetric. Really cool grind. I like the tip. Look at that. Beautifully done, guys. How it retains the strength, and at the same time it's going to be a beautiful slicer because the stock is pretty thin. Really cool. What is absolutely astounding on this one is the sound. Guys, would you hear this? What is this? Guys, hear this. It's fantastic. I mean, the full length backspacer, the full backspacer helps to contain the sound on the inside, and you're gonna achieve this very cool clack with a deep resounding sound. And when you close the knife, I mean, what is that? That's the opposite of this. Nice high pitched and nice low pitched. Very clinky, really cool. Nice clink, it bounces off. Look at that. It's just pleasant to your ear. Guys, this sounds equals quality in my brain, 100%. The weight of this guy is gonna be 3.3 ounces, so I mean, that is pretty light. When you hold this guy, you have no hot spots whatsoever. Jimping is gonna be just for maybe like a more recessed position, zero sharp edges. Jimping is absolutely functional, very cool grip. Probably, yeah, you can kind of do like a reverse grip. It feels a little bit on the small side for me, at least. You can't really choke up because there's no like finger choil over here, but you can do like for sure like you can have a secure grip for sure. with this one. Really cool texture. It's the fit and finish is stellar, guys. Like really done nicely. You've got no gaps, no rattling, no blade play up and down. It feels solid, no flex. You can't, like, from the fit and finish point of view, guys, you cannot say anything about this one. The only thing you can say is about the T5. I think everything else checks out, looks good. I mean, clip ramp, clip retention, deployment speed, you can do with the thumb, you can do with the index, you can do with 2 hands. It's pretty versatile. 0 finger sore because of this jimping is absolutely gripping the flesh of your fingertip, and it's gonna deploy this like a boss in a super smooth way. It's smooth, guys. Runs on bearings, of course. Detent strength on this guy is going to be on the medium light side, I would say. There's even like a little kickback from the blade, even if it's a little bit on the slim side when you open. Of course, no way you're going to be able to touch the tip of the blade because this backspacer is protecting it like to perfection. Nicely balanced. It's very cool. I mean, the lock bar is pretty easy to release actually, because just angle your thumb like that and boom, you're in business. You can easily disassemble this one. 0 lock stick, nice. There's a nice detent ball ramp right over here. You can feel a little bit of hard step, but then it goes up nicely. At least I believe there's a detent ball ramp. I might be wrong, guys. It looks like it is. When you disengage the lock bar, of course, there's some pretty cool free fall effect going on, and then just a small wiggle and you're gonna have a gliding guillotine effect going on right over here. So, I mean, overall, you can't really go wrong with this guy. Blade shape is fantastic. This contrast is really good. Materials employed are top-notch. Very lightweight. Sounds amazing. Like opening sound is wow. Closing sound super classy. The grip is fantastic. 0 hotspots. Action is smooth. I mean, guys, what do you want? I think this is a winner right over here. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.